welcome back to my channel. My name is Xochitl. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to keep up with all of my videos. Today we're going to do a mascara review. I've been meaning to do this one, but I've been loving another one. Here we are. This is the Maybelline Colossal Curl Bounce Mascara. The packaging kind of got me, kind of. So this mascara I picked up at Ulta. You can probably find it like a Target, Walmart. This was about $10 at Ulta. Of course, Target, Walmart, you can probably get a little bit cheaper. Or if you have Ulta coupons, go ahead and do it. And this is supposed to be a big volume bouncy mascara up to 24 hours. So we are looking at volume. I will not discredit it for length, but as you guys can see, I have mediocre lashes, nothing special, and I will admit, mascara is a very intimate, I feel like a beauty product. What works for me might not work for you, vice versa. So I just want to see how this works for me. And okay, I was like, why does it have a yellow tints to it? But I guess the original wand is like yellow. So here is the wand. And it's got a little curve, which should help with that volume, get a little bit of a bounce. I think for me, where I'm okay with not like that extreme length mascara is when it just gives you such beautiful volume, really opens up the eyes. So let's start off with, I'm going to do my right eye first. I'm going to do one coat and we'll compare it to nothing. And then 2 coats, see how it builds up if it can. Doesn't get too clumpy. So let's go. Okay, so first impressions, it has a little bit of a drier formula. I don't know if that's like to help keep that hold. Not too much volume. It's opened up, obviously. A little bit dry, but it's been doing a good job at not like clumping or like looking too spidery. So let's see with 2 coats. That's 2 coats of the mascara. I feel like I didn't go too heavy on the second coat because I feel like it was starting to build up a little bit. It was going from flirty to potential spideriness. Here's 1 coat versus 2. I liked where the 1 coat was going, so let's see. Okay, so I did like 2 lighter coats on my left eye versus the right eye, where I was like, if anything, experimenting at first because I was like, this is really dry. But let it be. And I think I like it very much more how the left eye came out because I mean, I don't mind the right eye. I'm starting to like it a little bit more, but I feel like the application was just a little bit better with just 2 light coats on the left eye. It gives you that nice, like, wispy, kind of like flirty eye effect. Whereas if you maybe go with too many coats, it can get, you know, a little bit more spidery if you like the drama, but I prefer like the fun, flirty type of eye look. I'm going to do my bottom lashes. And then for me, because the formula is a little bit drier, I'm wondering if this is going to flake on me. Like I said, I like the left eye. Okay, so bottom lashes, it's not super lengthening, so it did just, you know, add a little bit of something. Preferring the left eye a little bit more, just because this one's starting to get a little bit like clumpy there, but it's a drier formula. Yeah. I like it. It's a nice everyday mascara. For me, this is like wanting to be a little bit like that rare beauty mascara, which I have been loving. Like, usually I'm like, no, drugstore mascara, but like I'm even, you know, thinking of purchasing that one full. And so it's like, I was hoping it could almost be there, get me there, but that other one has length. This one's just volume. So if you are someone who already has length, I think this would be really, really nice. And you just want that really pretty volume. For me, I don't really have the length. So it's nice. It's nice. I don't dislike it. It's just nice. I'd wear it. I'd use it because I bought it and I lost the receipt, so I can't return it. But if anything, let me go ahead and see, wear it for a little bit. It's 11 a.m. right now. I'm going to check in a couple hours more than anything, whether I like it or not, especially since it's getting into rainy season and stuff like that. But I want to see if it flakes or just anything in general. So I'll check back in a couple hours. Okay, it's been almost 7 hours with this mascara, and I'm happy to say it did not flake whatsoever, which is really, really nice. Once again, it also didn't like lengthen, so probably didn't have like those lengthening fibers, but it was a drier formula. Like it was interesting like putting it on. So I like that. Definitely nothing running down my face. I like it, especially the left eye. I like how I coated that one really, really nicely. It did keep the curl too, which I am very happy about. They have a waterproof version. This is the non-waterproof version. So the non-waterproof version did a pretty good job of keeping that curl, which I really, really like. Once again, I personally just prefer a little bit more length, or a mascara that can lengthen and curl. So I think if you're someone who already has really long lashes and wants to like hold a curl, I feel like this drier formula will kind of help do that to maintain that curl, whereas like where I feel like wetter formulas can be a little bit heavier. So therefore maybe they can't hold the curl as much. So if you have longer lashes, definitely go for it. If you're someone who has maybe lashes like mine, who really just wants to open up their eyes, you don't care too much about length, then you might also like it as well. I liked it. I don't love it. I'm going to use it, but it's nice. It's a nice mascara. It wasn't a bad mascara. It was a good mascara. Let me know if you guys have tried it, if you liked it or not, and what kind of is like your lash size as well. I'm curious to know. Or, you know, if you do think this is something that might be for you. Thank you so much for watching that quick mascara update. Let me know if there's some other mascaras out there that I have not reviewed, that I have not tried. I've been trying a bunch. I've been loving trying mascaras, especially for the everyday, especially for like quick TikTok things that I film and stuff, or just like weekend kind of like chill type of, but chill but glam, chill but glam. I am liking the no makeup thing, so this is the good no makeup and makeup, good makeup, no makeup mascara. So I added to that stash, but I do like my drama sometimes. So let me know if you guys have any other suggestions of mascaras that I should try out. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to keep up with the rest of my videos, and I'll see you all next time.